All right, this morning's the morning, right, Eli? We're gonna get the new wheels put on with our new tires, huh? We're really excited. We're getting some breakfast here at the gas station though first. What did you pick this morning for breakfast?
This.
You got mango drink, honey roasted peanuts,
and
Slim Jim and cheese. All right, do you think we should tell mommy about this? Do you think she'll be happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're at the tire shop right now. They don't open till 8 and it's 7:14, but we did that on purpose. We wanted to be first in line, and once we get our new wheels on, we've got to get ready for a trip to Florida. We're super excited. We're gonna get everything in order before the shop opens up.
The parts of the wheels?
No, the metal parts of the wheels.
That's what I said.
So we had to buy spline lugs to fit into the new wheels. I'm hard-headed, and I was like, certainly regular lugs will fit into these wheels. But when we got them, because of the length of this tube right here, you can get the old lug nuts in, you just can't get a socket over the face of the lug nut to tighten it up. So we got these new spline lug nuts that have their own special socket here. What I like about it, well, actually I haven't tested it yet. I hope that's 19 millimeters on the back, but I'm almost certain it is. And then those let you put them on. So that's cool. And then we have to also get the right hub-centric space or adapter here, which we have. Get those ready for the guy. And then we haven't had any issues with the notching in the front. It seems like the tires have been clearing it pretty well. If they rub it, it's just a little bit, and I've actually been paying attention to the tread, and it hasn't been an issue where it's been rubbing and destroying the tires. That being said, if we ran into an issue with that, I do have these spacers to try to space it out a little bit. I've got a challenge for you.
What?
Can you take all these little lug nuts out of the little baggies that they come in?
Yeah.
And put them in a box? All right, come here. I was asking if we need this many lug nuts. I ordered 24, we need 20, so I got a little bit extra. But Eli's gonna get all of those out of the package so that the shop doesn't have to do it. And I'm gonna start unpackaging the wheels here and get all the protection off of them. How's it coming, bud?
Good.
You're almost done?
Yep.
All right, then we'll just have to clean up the trash, right?
Yep.
Awesome job. So we're outside the tire shop, and Eli found all these valve stems, and they take those out to deflate the tires really fast, huh?
Uh-huh.
But we're gonna clean some of them up, and maybe there's a chance they'll get added to our kit. Eli, I think the store's getting closer to opening, and we got all our stuff unpackaged. We got our wheels all out of the box, got our adapters here, and our spline lug nuts ready for them. Now we just have to hope, Eli, that their jack is high enough to actually lift our car off the ground, huh?
Dad, look, now it's
Nice.
a Beyblade.
A Beyblade? That's pretty cool. Cool.
Oh, I'm gonna go with my
Whoa,
fort.
where are you going, Eli?
Fort.
A fort? You can't fit in there. You're too big now.
No, I'm not.
What? You can fit underneath all those method boxes?
Yeah.
You silly goose.
How will we buckle up?
That's a good question. We'll move them to the back once the wheels are out. Oh no, Eli, what happened? We came here to get new wheels. We don't have anything on the car. What happened?
You couldn't drive.
We can't drive.
Yeah.
Here's the shot of the new and old together. I think the new looks a little better. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Eli?
Good.
What's your favorite part of the new wheel? You like the part, do you know what that says? Can you read it? M-E, T-H, and then O-D, UD, method. Those are Method 502 racing wheels, Eli. What do you think about that?
Good.
How's that look, Eli? Okay, so the new wheels are 7 inches wide, so they're a 1/2 inch wider than the stock wheel, and I had a feeling that was going to help me out with clearance significantly, and if you look, it does. So if you are looking to put these tires, 235/85s, with this set of wheels on your Pilot, I don't think you're going to have any issues with rubbing. So you can see my notch is all but useless now, which is a really good thing, actually. Lots of peace of mind there. The new wheel offset causes a clearance issue right here from this metal plate. So when I get home, I'm gonna do some cutting and grinding to get rid of that. But the clearance up top is much better than it was before. You might be able to get away with this size without notching the perch at all, which is pretty cool. What do you think about the new wheels, Evan?
Good.
You like the center cap? That piece of metal? It's super cool, huh? Eli, what are you doing? What do you think, Mommy? Do you like the black lug nuts? You wanted black lug nuts.
I thought it would look good with black over there.
Yeah.
But...
What do you think about that center cap? Isn't that thing super nice?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody at the shop was like, dang, these are some nice wheels.
Why didn't you make it to where this was straight across, like these? Like, can you switch that or not?
Eleni?
These are the new
Because I didn't notice. I don't have attention to detail like you.
These are the new wheels.
Yeah, they are. So look how much better the clearance is right here. It scoots it out and down a little bit. Technically, we've lost maybe like 1/4 of an inch of height because of the 1/2 inch of width.
So did it spread the tire out?
Yeah,
you're
it
saying?
spreads it out just a little bit and drops
Because they're
it down.
fatter tires than the OEM ones.
Yeah, wheels.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. Rims.
So it rubs right here, honey, against this, and yeah, so you can see where it rubs.
Yeah, that's no bueno because that's metal, right?
Yep, but I gotta cut it. Okay, so I am pleased to report that the new tires do fit. They fit even better with the Method wheels that we chose, which are the 16x7 30mm offset 5x4.5 bolt pattern wheels, and I think they look pretty sweet. We had to do a little bit of trimming in the front and the back because they stick out just a little bit farther, but just like I said earlier, they do come away from the spring perch to the point where you may or may not need to notch it. Certainly you don't need to notch it quite as much as I did, and I think the verdict's that they look pretty cool, right buddy?
Yeah.
We are getting ready for our trip to Florida, and call us crazy or whatever you want, but we're gonna try to take our pontoon boat. My brother-in-law and I both agree that if we can take our grandpa out on the water, it'll be well worth it. So we're gonna drive this pontoon boat 10 hours to Naples, Florida, right buddy?
Yeah.
So, unfortunately I did not
We're
get...
gonna have special treats on the ship also.
Maybe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my transmission temperature gauge installed. I do have the second transcooler, but I don't have it looped in yet. I have all the tubing and all the hose clamps I need to go ahead and put that in as part of the equation. I also have some extra transmission fluid with me.
Yeah.
So if I notice that if the temperature light comes on, then we can just stop and loop in that second transcooler. But we are liking the look. The bumper cover is definitely starting to be more and more of an issue with that peeling clear coat. It does not look good, huh?
I'm walking on the road.
Yeah, it doesn't look good, but everything else is really
good.
Yeah, the wheels look good. I'm talking about the bumper cover. I need to get it repainted or something, but so stay tuned. We'll do a video about our trip up. Hopefully it's very uneventful, but it could turn into something crazy. We've got a spare tire and a spare hub for the boat. But we are definitely excited. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos and joining us on our journey as we kind of push the limits of the Pilot. And make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already, and we appreciate all the feedback you guys give. Have a great day, guys.